Meat slicers aren't just a tool for butcher shops and delicatessens. If you need to process a lot of meat or vegetables or cheese, then hand slicing can be tiresome. Plus, it's hard to keep your slices consistent. A good meat slicer should be able to help you in both these areas. They come in both manual and electric varieties and let you slice meat to the thickness you desire. There are many meat slicers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best meat slicer from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Vever Commercial Meat Slicer. Vever Commercial Meat Slicer is a powerful and versatile addition to any commercial or home kitchen. Designed to meet high-volume demands, it features a robust 200 motor that delivers an impressive 1200 RPM blade rotating speed, enabling you to effortlessly produce up to 30 perfectly sliced pieces per minute, constructed with durability in mind. This slicer boasts a cast aluminum body and an 8-inch diameter chromium-plated steel blade that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant, ensuring sharp, precise cuts and long-lasting performance. One of the standout features of this meat slicer is its detachable blade and security baffle design, which facilitates easy disassembly and cleaning, ensuring optimal hygiene and maintenance. With its wide range of applications, this slicer can handle a variety of ingredients with ease, including meat, cooked food, cheese, roast beef, turkey breast, bread, vegetables, and fruits. Whether you're operating a bustling restaurant, running a butcher shop, managing a canteen, or simply elevating your home culinary experiences, the Vever Commercial Meat Slicer is the perfect choice, offering unmatched versatility, efficiency, and reliability. Number 2. Ospa Meat Slicer. Ospa Meat Slicer transforms you into a skilled chef at home, precisely slicing food with adjustable thickness from paper thin to approximately 3/4 flake, enabling you to effortlessly slice a variety of ingredients including meat, D-line meats, cheese, roast beef, turkey breast, vegetables, and fruits. Its seamless and removable design, coupled with a ring guard cover, ensures effortless cleaning and prevents debris buildup on cutting surfaces, while the blade, food carriage, slide rod extension, and food pusher are all removable for thorough sanitation. Safety is a priority with this slicer, requiring you to simultaneously press the safety lock and power button to operate, preventing accidental operation and non-slip suction cup feet. Keep the unit stable during use. Equipped with a 7.5 universal stainless steel serrated blade powered by a 150-watt motor, this slicer delivers fast, high-yield slicing performance, ensuring consistently sharp cuts for all your slicing needs. Number 3. Chef's Choice Electric Meat Slicer. Chef's Choice Electric Meat Slicer is handsomely styled and engineered for power, efficiency, and smooth operation, making the 615A meat processor the perfect solution for outdoor enthusiasts who want to quickly and easily bring their harvest from field to table. Designed to slice their own game, make homemade beef jerky, or slice a wide variety of foods, including vegetables, breads, and cheese, this rugged yet sophisticated slicer features key components constructed of durable cast aluminum and stainless steel. Boasting an impressive 100/125 power rating, it is engineered with a 7-inch serrated blade, a cool-running, high-torque motor, and a reliable smooth gear drive that ensures continuous slicing operation without overheating or jamming. Whether you're an avid hunter, love making your own jerky, or simply want to slice fresh ingredients for meals, the Chef's Choice Electric Meat Slicer combines power, precision, and convenience to elevate your culinary experiences. Number 4. Bezwood Electric Meat Slicer. Bezwood Electric Meat Slicer is a versatile slicer suitable for commercial use in restaurants, commercial kitchens, caves, and for home use, featuring a premium V-belt that reduces noticeable noise and vibration, a double illuminated 24.5 switch to avoid power shock for enhanced safety, skid-proof rubber feet and a blade ring guard for additional protection, an aluminum body with a top-mounted 2-stone blade sharpener to maintain a consistently sharp blade edge, and a removable product table for effortless cleaning, making it a reliable and convenient choice for all your slicing needs. Number 5. Nesco Stainless Steel Food Slicer. Nesco Stainless Steel Food Slicer is designed for effortless and versatile slicing, featuring a full stainless steel sliding food carriage and a large, detachable 8.7 hardened stainless steel serrated blade that can handle a wide range of food sizes and shapes with ease, powered by a robust 180-watt motor 120 volt for superior slicing performance. The adjustable thickness control knob allows for precise slicing up to 9/16, while the die-cast aluminum food press ensures secure and efficient operation. Dual safety features provide added protection, and the sleek stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.